I'm finally home. Today was a busy day. I bought some food at the supermarket. Now, I want to make dinner. This is my first time cooking in my new apartment. I hope everything goes well. The chicken looks good. The vegetables are fresh. I have everything I need. Oh no, I forgot something. I don't have any salt. And I don't have any black pepper either. What should I do? Hi, Emma. Sorry to bother you.
Hi, Jason. No problem. What's wrong?
I'm making dinner, but I just found out I don't have any salt. Do you have some?
Of course, I have some. Wait a second. I'll get it for you. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Anything else?
Actually, do you have some black pepper too?
Yes, I do. Here you are.
I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. What are you cooking?
I'm making chicken with vegetables and rice.
That sounds good.
I'm still learning how to cook.
Really? It smells pretty good already.
You think so? I hope it tastes good too.
Would you like some help?
Are you sure? I don't want to take up your time.
It's fine. Cooking together is more fun.
Thank you. Come in.
The vegetables look fresh. What are you making?
Chicken, carrots, broccoli, and rice. Something simple.
That's a healthy meal. Can I wash the vegetables?
Sure. Thank you. I'll cut the chicken.
Be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, I'm getting better.
Now add a little salt, not too much.
Like this?
Perfect. Now add some black pepper.
It already smells better.
See, sometimes small things make a big difference.
Dinner is ready. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. It looks delicious.
Would you like to stay for dinner?
I'd love to. Thank you.
Great. Please have a seat.
Let's eat. Wow, this is really good.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
You cook better than you think.
Maybe next time I'll try a more difficult recipe.
I'd be happy to taste it.
Deal. Next dinner is on me.
I'm looking forward to it.